And now to the business review, and in this week's edition we take a closer look at online protection in an increasingly digital world. Here's TVJ's Andrew Lady with more.
As incidents of cybercrime increase, a desperate cry from information technology experts for Jamaicans to be more vigilant, and more so with things like free apps.
You get a lot of free apps in App Store, but you have to be very careful because when you download it, you don't know what you're giving up. You have to verify that. They will collect information about your location. You give them access to your file, your photos. They can collect all of those information about you. So my suggestion is to stay away from the free apps.
And as for free Wi-Fi,
a lot of people have smartphones now. Everybody wants to be connected to the internet, which is good, but you need to try to stay away from free Wi-Fi. The attackers, they have ways how they can you can log on to a system, and once you are browsing the internet, they don't even have to be on your computer. They can gather all of those information and see what you're browsing, analyze your transaction. So my best advice for that is to ensure that you set up a VPN once you connect to a Wi-Fi, and that will protect your traffic.
According to Senior Manager for Cybersecurity at the Jamaica National Group, Dwayne Brown, the attackers are upgrading their malicious schemes.
What we had very popular 3 years ago is no longer the case, and each time there's an update, different vulnerabilities are present or may manifest itself, so therefore you always have to be proactive and try to stay ahead of these threats.
But there are ways to ensure that consumers stay ahead of the game.
And if you can opt for alerts every time you make a purchase, you get an alert, then that would be very helpful for you as well.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.